Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool amazing product right here in my hand, and I don't have just one, I have two. It's really heavy so I can't hold both of them at the same time, but basically what these are some pull-up bars. Both of them are from the same brand, but they're different in terms of the way how to design it for both the grip and the way how like the actual bar itself looks like. This one has a little bend to it and a little bit different type of grip versus the one that we have right here. And if you look at the side-by-side comparison, this one's a little bit smaller or a little bit like shorter. I'm not sure if it's because of the different parts that are provided in here is a little bit longer, so that's why. But let's open up each one and see what it looks like first. I'll probably start with the one that's on here first because it's shorter and it'll work with the big one later on, right afterward. So when you guys first open the product itself, this is basically what it looks like right there. Let's take it out. It's actually quite heavy. So depending on which side you guys are opening it, you guys want to be careful, because if you guys are not careful, then the grip will fall off, if it's right here. But basically the product is right here, and that's everything in the packaging itself. So let's take the wrapper off first. So it looks like there's also something inside there. It might be an instruction guide. So they have pretty much like an instruction guide to teach you guys how to set it up, if you guys can do it here. And they also provide you guys a little workout routine. I'll show you guys how to do your workouts if you guys want to work on arms, back, shoulders, chest, abs, legs. All of the different workouts are all on here. So this is basically what the product looks like. You can see very nice material. You definitely have a very nice grip here as well. That feels really nice. Same thing for these as well. So it looks like for the grips that they provide you guys right here, it feels really nice. But they do provide you guys some extra ones if anything goes wrong with it. So that way you have a backup. And then for these right here, as you can see, this is the one you guys would want to attach onto the actual bar itself. So for this one, it should go to this part right here to hold it onto the wall. And basically the way how you guys use it is by pushing it down like this. And then turning it like this way for that side. And if you take a look at the back part right here, there's actually a little lock part right here, so that way you can lock it in place to hold it. Same thing for the other side, just need to pull it down right here and then turn it, and then you can go set it up however you guys want to. Depending on where your door is, that's how you guys set it up. But if you guys can see how it's set up right now, it's probably not right. So you just want to turn it the other way because the logo is right here. And basically if you guys want to close it up, all you guys need to do is just do the same thing to push it down and just turn it like that and lock it back in place, and then you guys all set. You guys can see for the grip is like straight and flat like this. The other one's a little bit more bended, so let me actually open up that one first to show you guys what it looks like, and then we're gonna go test it out. Alright, so we have the big one right here. Let's open it up. Alright, so this one's very similar to the one that we just saw. They also provide you guys the extra grip right here that you can use. And then this one also has the wall mount, or the one that holds it onto the wall, so that way it won't scratch your wall and everything. But right off the bat, you can see how we have it right here. The grip is a little bit different, and the way how it's like bended, so you guys can get a little bit different of like angle of how you guys want to use it for pull-ups. So let me actually take it out and show you guys what it actually looks like first. And for this one, they also do provide you guys the same stuff for like the different workout routines right here. And then obviously they also do provide you guys the instruction manual to teach you guys how to set it up right here. So if you look at the overall product itself, this is basically what it looks like. So the grip right here is a little bit bended, so it's like a different angle compared to the other one that I just showed you guys right here. This one's more of like a flat design right here where it's just straight. The other one's a little bit more bended. But basically the way how you guys open it up is the same way. So all you guys need to do is push it down. So just like this, and lock it back in place. Same thing for the other side, just push it down. And then you guys want to turn it like this, and it's all set. And then when you guys are all done, do the same thing, push it down, and turn it back this way. And if you look at the way how they designed it right here, they have the little gripping part, so that way you can actually hold it on top of the actual wall part itself. So that way you can get a very nice grip to hold it in place, but then also that way it won't like damage the foundation and everything. So when you guys apply it on, you guys want to make sure that this part right here is facing the wall. So for me, it'll be facing this way, and you just need to push it in like this, just like that. And you guys want to do the same thing for the other side as well. So let's go try this out first and see how it works and when it actually works first, and we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the quick test of the product itself. You guys can see that actually does work and it works quite well. I love how this is actually designed perfectly for almost any kind of home. I love the way how they designed it, so that way I can do like pull-ups either like right here, so just pull up like this, or you can pull on the side right here. Same thing for the other bar as well, but just this one has like a more like a bend design. But that's basically what the overall product looks like in C for both this one right here and the other one as well. Now that we do a quick unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that this is worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. But then obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one or have used one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for quick unboxing and testing on the product itself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have